What is up, everybody? Crustless Crypto here, back in a video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I do have a website, crustlesscrypto.com. Make sure you guys bookmark it, check it out if you guys want to. And I also have a Twitter at Crustless Crypto. I am doing a giveaway right now, 0.1 EGLD on it. Make sure you guys follow the rules here. I'll put the links in the description and comment section down below. So I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. I am back, refreshed, energized, and I want to talk about Elrond and the price. So right now it's sitting at $255. Obviously, it's still trading sideways just like the rest of the market. Nothing too crazy. It did have a slight rise up to around 260, 270. I mean, if we look at the day here, not really moving as much as other people would like it to. Then again, if we take a look at the entire market as a whole, I mean, Bitcoin went up to 50,000, then it dropped back down to 49. A lot of coins right now are just remaining stagnant. I don't think the market knows exactly which way it's going to go. People predict that it's going to be a bear trap. People predict that, you know, the bull market has not finished. The bull cycle has not ended yet. So we will have to see. I mean, we are at the whims of the market, and the sentiment right now is, you know, 50-50. As we can see coming from Matthew Hyland, he says Bitcoin's hidden bullish divergence created on the 3-day RSI and momentum indicators. So as you guys can see here, I'm not too big onto technical analysis, but I mean, we can look at the charts. It could paint a picture for us. As you guys can see here, Bitcoin is hovering above that again, $50,000 earlier today. And if you look at the RSI and momentum, I mean, it's again remaining stagnant. So a lot of things are interesting here. Is Bitcoin going to push and continue to go back up? The reason why I like to talk about Bitcoin right now is because Bitcoin kind of paces the market. So if Bitcoin goes up, as a result, all the other altcoins goes up as well. Another good point here, I mean, from Bitcoin Archive, he says, breaking, Germany's largest savings bank planning to allow customers to buy, sell, and hodl Bitcoin. Sparkas, I don't know how to pronounce that. Sparkcase, I don't know if I pronounced that right, has 50 million customers. So this could be potentially bullish. You do have people who are saying, who knows the customer base of Sparkas? A few. This is bullish, but not as bullish as some of you might think. So if you guys are German, let me know what you guys think, if this is really bullish or not. Kind of piqued my interest when you have, you know, savings banks, you know, wanting to buy and sell Bitcoin and hodl it. I think long term that's very bullish and good for the, you know, crypto market as a whole. Now, in regards to EGLD's price, we do have Arda here, the Arda project, talking about community brainstorming, and this is very good points here. A few weeks after the Maiar exchange launch, we have around 1 million distinct wallets on the Elrond network. This is an extremely rapid adoption. It took 6 months after the leading exchange PancakeSwap launched for Binance Smart Chain to reach about 1 million users in February of 2021. So if you take that into perspective, right, Elrond and the Maiar exchange has accumulated much more of a following and much more of a impact in terms of wallet creations and adoption compared to, you know, swapping platforms such as PancakeSwap. Now he goes on to say here, but March 2021 went crazy on Binance Smart Chain with an unprecedented adoption leading to around 60 million wallets. So today around 120 million wallets on BSC. Compare that with Elrond. What can we expect for the growth of the Elrond ecosystem in the next month and year? And what will be the determining factors of adoption? Now, there's a lot of things that could determine that, you know, adoption. The ecosystem itself, right? The Maiar DEX launching new swaps, new pairs. You have NFT marketplaces rising out of the ground. You have ESDTs, Elrond standard digital tokens being minted. And this presents a wonderful opportunity for not only people who are already in the ecosystem, but people from outside and other blockchains to, you know, be drawn towards these incentives. Now, another good point here in terms of adoption and kind of outreach. So Lucian Minku kind of breaks the news for us here. The Elrond network is a radically new blockchain architecture designed for unprecedented scalability and efficiency. The integration with the powerful Ledger products was 100% done by our relentless dev team for maximum security and compatibility. Good news here. So Elrond is officially integrated into Ledger Live. Going right into this article here. So we're excited to announce that EGLD is now available in the popular Ledger Live wallet app that more than 1.5 million people use to manage their crypto holdings. Furthermore, the newly released Elrond Ledger apps version 1.0.17, more than 4 million hardware wallet owners can now securely store their MEX, RIDE, NFTs, and any other kind of ESDT token. As a result, Maiar DEX users and NFT owners can now enjoy an additional layer of security by managing their assets and operations directly from cold storage. Thanks to the easy integration of Ledger authentication with any dApp, security is further boosted for any Elrond user. Lastly, you know, an outstanding fact is that the Elrond core devs are the first team to author the integration of their blockchain in Ledger Live. They also wrote the Elrond app for the Ledger Nano using the open source code and tools available in the Ledger development portal. In this continuous close collaboration with the Ledger development team, the Elrond core devs will add more functionality to the Ledger Live application, such as staking, NFTs, and smart contract management. So this is very big. The reason why I own a Ledger and I enjoy it, but the fact that you're able to interact with it on the actual Ledger Live application on your desktop is powerful. A lot of people do use Ledger. It is a nice way to store your crypto. It is a legit way to store your crypto. A lot of people want to feel like that crypto is stored on that ledger, which it is. So it's important that, you know, when it comes to Elrond, securing that Elrond from scammers, from people out there who are wanting to take it, is very important. And I think this is a right step in the right direction. As you guys can see here, the development team at the Elrond network are working on many different products. So a lot of people complain that the Maiar DEX wasn't as good as, you know, it could have been. But you guys got to think in the bigger picture. They went, looked at what was wrong, fixed it, and also not only working on this in tangent with other products. You know, they're blowing up their ecosystem, and nothing, Rome was not built in a night. Also from the Ledger Twitter here, they state as well, full decentralization, high scalability, energy efficiency, cross-chain interoperability. That's Elrond network for you. And now it's available on the Ledger Live desktop, and the mobile version is coming soon. So guys, again, very bullish, and I'm glad that, you know, the Elrond network is focusing on security above all. Now guys, I wanted to get in the main meat and potatoes of this video here, like I have in the title. So I want to show you guys the capabilities of farming. What I mean by that on the Maiar DEX here, the potential profits that you could be making right now. So you have a lot of good YouTubers out there like Save with Crypto that, you know, goes into depth with the Maiar DEX. I want to give my take and my perspective on it. I hope one day I'll be able to do a collaboration with you if you're watching Save with Crypto, and I'm down, you know, to set up a time and a date and, you know, let's talk about it. Besides that point, I want to talk about this, right? So right now, EGLD is giving 930% APR when you're, you know, staking for locked MEX. Now, when you look at the MEX pool, just the solely MEX pool, it's at 778% APR. Now, I will not tell you that this will be forever. This is, you know, going to be the bootstrapping phase. So they predict in the next, you know, after this week is, you know, 6 more weeks, roughly 5-6 weeks of high APRs. This right now is your perfect prime time opportunity to make as much locked MEX as you can. Just like Benjamin Miku said in his town hall, the locked MEX holders are the VIPs, are the valued members of the community. So if you hold this locked MEX and you stake it, you'll be able to not only farm more locked MEX, but you'll be able to farm a lot of token pairs that are going to be coming, such as Ride token. It's going to be very imperative if you don't want to trade EGLD for that Ride token, you need to stake locked MEX to farm it. And that is definitely, you know, very good incentives when you look at the technology from a car company, Audi, that is planning on implementing, you know, the metaverse and, you know, establishing themselves on there. So guys, it's important that you create liquidity pools, right? By creating those liquidity pool tokens, then you're going to stake those tokens, you're going to make transaction fees for providing those liquidity, as well as earning MEX for staking it. And as a result, you can take that staked MEX and then you can generate more locked MEX. It's essentially important that you guys let it do its thing. People like to harvest it every 2 hours. People like to harvest it every day. For me, I try to let it build and then harvest it. You know, you got to think about the fees. It adds up over time. So if you continually harvest it, your EGLD wallet is going to go down your balance. Big picture, guys, a lot of opportunity here to make lots of locked MEX. If I were you, you know, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Long term, when all this MEX is unlocked, this was money that you literally did not have to work for. You literally just made it by being patient, being passive, and letting it do its magic. So with that said, guys, I want to leave you guys some food for thought coming from Slabo NFT here. So if you didn't sell on the way up, why are you having doubts now? Hold, stake, farm, build. Focus on the fundamentals and long term. This price range was the top, now is the bottom. Change of perspective. Absolutely good tweet, good post here. Look at this big picture. It hit $500 and right now it's sitting at around 250. Zoom out. This is the potential bottom. It's been holding strong, very strong. Let's knock on wood, right? And hope that it doesn't go any down. But we need to look at the market as a whole. I think EGLD has a lot of potential right now to go up to $1,000. Will I say next month? No, but I know in the long term it will at least hit $1,000. People who are patient and people who just realize what's going to be coming, those are the people who will win in the end. Lastly, guys, I want to take suggestions. Let me know in the comment section down below what kind of videos you guys want me to make. I saw a couple of my last video, wanting me to talk about NFTs, creating and minting them. I'm actually going to make one of those. If there's any other videos or any other coins that you guys would like me to talk about, please put it in the comment section down below. I'm not just an EGLD chiller. I'm into crypto in general. If you guys have any coins you would like me to take a look at, make sure you guys let me know. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.